Remember how we used the Arduino Uno board to design and program our own LED dot matrix displays in the previous video? This time, we'll take that program and modify it to include an infrared remote control function. We will add a remote control feature that will enable us to use an IR remote controller to stop, play, and pause the animation. Furthermore, 3 keys will be assigned to the appropriate key on the remote for these functions. For this task, we will need the following materials. Let's start with the first experiment relevant to this project before moving on to performing actual tasks we were given. First, we are going to run or install the library we need. Let's open the Arduino program. To Menu, Tools, Manage Libraries, and search IR Remote. Seems like we cannot apply the procedure given. Instead, we are going to download a zip file of the IR Remote version 2.5.0 from the net. And I have already downloaded it here. Extract the file. Let's copy this entire IR Remote 2.5.0 folder into the Arduino Libraries folder. Decoding hex codes and IR protocol from standard IR remote controls is the first experiment. We're just going to obey the instructions on this computer. The connection diagram is given and we have this IR receiver's equivalent circuit and pin diagram. Using this pin diagram, we will use jumper wires to attach the labeled sections of the IR receiver to their corresponding pins on the Arduino board. To the test using the given codes. We will copy these codes to the Arduino sketch and upload it. Let's open again the Arduino program. Copy the codes and paste it to the Arduino sketch. IR remote library has been included. To upload the code, let's first save the file in the documents. Let's wait for the program to be uploaded. There was an error in the uploading process. It was because of the wrong punctuation mark I typed. So let's upload it again. After the code has been uploaded, launch the serial monitor. This is now the serial monitor, as you can see. It is a window that comes with the Arduino IDE program. Its role is to enable us to send and receive messages from an Arduino board to our computer. To resolve the statement below, we must rename the file name of the library we copied earlier in the libraries. Its file name must be IRremote instead of IRremote-2.5.0. Open the file again. Let's check if that problem has been resolved. Load it again. And yes, the operation is successful. Let's use the remote control and point it at our IR receiver and press any button and record the resulting hex codes for the buttons 0 to 9 in the remote. These are now the recorded resulting hex codes for the buttons 0 to 9 in the remote. We will only utilize 3 buttons out of them, the buttons 1, 2, and 3. For button 1, play, button 2 for pause, and button 3 for stop. We already have here our infrared receiver mounted on the breadboard. We will just add the 8x8 dot LED with MUX7219 controller on the breadboard. Of course, we should follow the given pin connections for it. Since it also has a VCC intended for the VCC pin on the Arduino, we will just connect it in series in the leftmost tail of the infrared receiver. Furthermore, I already have here the codes for this project. As you can see here, both the LED control and IRremote libraries are integrated in this program. Let's copy the hex codes we got for each specific command. Then upload the program.